Oh my. And action. Ah. Oh, I like eating snow. It's delicious. It's true. Oh, Yellow's turn.
I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the straw boss said, well, to bless my soul, you load 16 tons. What do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.
The ladies of winter. Oh yeah, that's right. I know you find me sexy like this.
Yeah, cover that up.
Here we go.
There goes Esther.
Oh shit. Bad dog. The ice planet of Hoth. Here he comes back from the rebel base. He seems to have lost his tom-tom. Perhaps he cut it open and laid on the inside for warmth. Ready?
Ready.
Go, go, go.
There she goes. You push.
Ready? Come on.
Ready?
Yes. Oh my God. Just call me Grace.
Esther's doing good.